How to add text to a picture on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the edit icon below. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the markup icon. Once you tap the markup icon, a toolbar with various tools will appear. These tools include pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, ruler, and color options. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus button. From here, you can add shapes, signatures, and other elements. Tap on Add Text. Then, type in any text over here and drag it to place it anywhere on the photo. You can also change the color of the text using the color icon as shown. Once you're done editing, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily add text to a picture on iPhone.